Hello my viewers around the globe, this is Simaligas. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use OCO. In the previous videos, I made a video how you can use limit, market, stop limit, trailing stop. So, if you don't know how to use all of those ones, just go into this very channel Sima Crypto and you check about those videos and you learn how you can use all these items. So if you haven't subscribed on this very channel, subscribe and click on the bell icon. And another thing, please like and comment on this very video so that YouTube can recognize this very video and make it move far. So let's dive into the video. For today's purpose of education, we are going to use Binance. If you don't have a Binance account, please go in the pinned comment and you click on that URL and you open with me. If you open with me Binance account, you're going to grab your commission up to 1,200 US dollar. So, and even you can go as far as 7,200 US dollar. If you open with me Bitget account, bybit, coinbase and Binance account. So with that said, let's dive into the video. So we want to understand how you can use OCO. With OCO, what you have to understand that it makes two orders and one cancels the other one. Another thing, OCO looks like this on the button of sale. You go on, there is price, there is stop limit, there is limit order, there is the amount. This is the percentage that you are going to use. This is the total amount that you're going to use to buy ADA. And we are going to use the pair of ADA versus USDT. So with that said, this price, let's start with the price. The price means that this is where you're going to take your profits from. This is where you're going to regulate your losses from. This is where your order will be executed from. So let's start. Hope that maybe our current price is around here, but we expect that our market might go up to this very resistance here and it might be executed from here. But as well, we believe that maybe the market might go around this way. So we believe that the market might go up to this very side like this. So this is where we are going to take profit from. So we are going to say that right from here, we are going to put this price here, 0.274. So this is where our stop limit will be. So our price where we are going to regulate our loss from will be 0.3207. Another thing that you have to understand, the difference between here, the difference between stop limit and limit order should be very small. So this is where it will be executed. So it means that if the price might be you have started from here, you bought from this current price, but now the price starts to go like this downside. So it means once it reaches here, it will execute itself. So we are going to make sure that this one is our price and we are going to make it above our stop limit. So you are going to say, let's use 32.01. So you can see that the difference is just minimal. This is 7, just this is 1. So you're going to say 100. So now we are going to sell. You can see that this is how you're going to sell. So once you say sell, our orders will be executed, as you can see. So this is our orders. These are two, but once one is executed, it will cancel another one. This is the pair, the type, the side, the price, the amount, field, total. So this is stop loss, this is limit maker. So this is how it will look like, and you will be done with OCO. Hope you have understood how you can use OCO using sale. If you haven't liked on this very video, please like and comment if you have any question about this video. Bye.